गोसाई करी चरण वंदन जायते विघ्ननाश अभीष्ट पूरण। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य दयाल प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम राम। श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, गुरु वैष्णव मित्र की जय, प्रभास गुरु की जय, गुरु नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय, जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा सुदेव की जय, भक्त विलास शंकर नृसिंहदेव की जय, भक्तराज प्रहलाद महाराज की जय, सर्व विष्णु ब्रत गिरिराज गोवर्धन जीव की जय, गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय, जय ब्रह्मंडल धाम की जय, देवासी भक्त वृंद की जय, जय ब्रजेश्वरी मन श्री समुद्र की जय, प्रदेवियन की जय, जय चतुर्थ सुब्रत की जय, भक्त वृंद की जय, स्वामी गौर भक्त वृंद की जय, गौर प्रमानंदे। Now is hearing Goswami Prabhu glorifying and explaining and describing all holy ritual, holy dham, mostly Brahmanda. He is explaining Vaikuntha Jayanti Paramati. Vaikuntha Vaikuntha Mukranagari. Why? Vaikuntha है अरुण अस्वर्ग अरुण। There Krishna is no Janma Leela. Krishna na Vaikuntha Krishna no father and mother, no brother sister, no grandfather grandmother brother no coming. Grandmother father is the millions. Vaikuntha has no God's place. Only you going there, no parents, you will be Narayan. You have not two hands, you going Vaikuntha, automatically going to go four hands. They are no family. All Chaturvud. The gents are Chaturvud, the ladies. Let's see all the Chaturvud. How you know? Namamata, she is front of Nityananda Prabhu, she is Chaturvud also. The Vaikuntha planet, you think about Vaikuntha, there you are going, you are thinking, so you will be Chaturvud. But you know, this word, Durgadevi, not Chaturvud, Ashtabhuja. 8 hands, not 1, 2. Chaturvud Vaikuntha, but this Loka, this Durgadevi, the Prime Minister, she has Ashtabhuja, 8 hands. She is killing Mahishasura, or she is, sometimes she is naked. She is showing everybody. Naked. She is taking sword and killing all. This Australia, she will remain Ahimur. Any of opulence, there no love, no affection, no service, only duty. Time to time water giving, time to time air, food stuff, massage, air, bed, everything timely. everything all going on etiquette principle. To break this little principle, attract punishment. Get out from here. No, they are laboratories. Only state, strong, serious, danger. Little mistake, that problem. This is not called laboratories. Serious one. Like hard. Like gold. Gold is shiny and costly, valuable. Diamond more costly. The more hard, strong stone, no softness, no sweetness, no smell. Use this. Whatever you would like gold and diamond, platinum, white gold. Some parts like silver. What valuable? What? That thing. Now like people is eating this rice and dal, chapati. But Western countries people don't like rice and dal. They like only bread and jam and burger, chow-mein, cake, cookies. Also, Russian people like also different things. Black Peruski, Batuski, and Kapuska, they like. But before people as food stuff, all silver, gold, burning, making ashes, they take in the hand. Oh, don't eat food stuff. One time, 1 spoon gold ash taking to the honey, 1 year for non-hungry and thirsty, not bad. Healthy, shining. Kings, yeah, rich people now also they give pan. And on top of pan, tambur, they give gold work, silver work. Sweet soup going now, 1 kilo sweet, 4,000 rupees. Silver work with this making, cashew working. And gold work is making 40,000 rupees, 1 kilo. But receiving how much? Only 1 gram? No. 100 times 1 gram like kilo. Then 40,000 rupees. So before eating, before gold, silver, platinum, diamond, then by goodness will be gold body. All, look, Mahaprabhu's body golden. Radhana's body golden. Narayan body shining like his golden sun. Out and in all is gold. Like Sitakundiya came one doctor. She does what you need. Why would you start profession? That doesn't anything, you will be gold, you will be gold. It's not good for you. So, no, you giving me people. It will be bad for you. No problem. Take giving. Then giving, then is touching wall all gold, bed all gold, everything gold. Now his son is came, is near touching his gold. Now all are afraid. If we are going, he is killing. Wife is running. Brother, sister, mother, all running. If touching has become gold man type. Now he is thinking, I am eating for touching this water has become gold. He got chapati become gold, now gold also. He got rice, eating for rice become gold, touching everything. Now hungry, thirsty. So go to your friend like this. Gold, gold, gold. Opulence, opulence, opulence. There are no sweetness. Like externally outside to distance to very nice opulence. Oh, he is very rich, wealthy, healthy. But this health and wealth is very dangerous. Like heaven is going, there is you are already young. You do not become old. But how much tension? Everything is there available. But all are how much fire? Anger, fire, not only all fire, full of fire. They can toilet. So Krishna Prabhu explaining Vaikuntha Jnanita Vara Madhupuri. This Madhupuri, there is sweetness. Opulence half Asurja, half Madhupuri. And honey there. But honey has taste, sweetness, but honey has no taste, jignai. Butter has increase like softness, but no there is sweetness. Little sweet, but less. Therefore, telling Goswami, Mathura has half. Madhupuri, O Vara Madhupuri Ganya, Vaikuntha Chakulas. Why? Dinamikam Nivasino, Harobhukti Prajayati. Vaikuntha to Madhupuri is best highest. Why? Srihari, Mathura is get God. He appears. He has no Vaikuntha God. There are no parents, no family. Only they are Shakti Mahalakshmi. There are many other gods, extensions, like Vikvar Narayan. All are as no. Like any ashram. Is one guru, one disciple. But many gurus, one disciple then disciple life will be very strange. Why which guru we are going? Which guru's life is going serving? How possible is? One guru, many disciples possible, but many guru, one disciple, then what happens? Then making part? Cutting and taking one pieces, one group things now. Very problem. But Madhurapuri, no like this. Vaikuntha all Narayan, all Chaturthi. No Dibhushan, no two hands. All are four hands. All are as symbol. Sankirtan Madhurapuri. But this side, up and down, down and down. Madhurapuri no like, all are Dibhus. Money, embrace will not keep me. Four arms then, two is with the embrace and two is keeping. Two is trying. Of course, but two hand is embracing and two hand where going. There two hands is angry, fighting. But here is devotion. Also is great God. But in Madhupuri, he is not completely happy. Why? Half. Like Krishna, they have love for Krishna, but they are serving others also. Equal, more than us. The Vrindavan entire, the Rasa Vaisava Krishna, Rasa Jadam Labdhanandi Bhavati, Labdha Anandi Bhavati. Krishna entire in Vrindavan, then there is Rasa. Meaning everybody's heart full of Rasa means service, mood and tendencies. Like one tree has many fruits. Trees, all fruits is full of Rasa, which is making this tree full of Rasa, which is making soft, sweet, tasteful, fluff, nice smell, nice color, not dry. Or the Vrindavan, Vrindavan's garden, she is making absolutely full of for someone who is serving Krishna, not other. Other person divide me. Mathura, half. But Vrindavan, trees, rivers, plants, birds, animals, everybody is full of love for Krishna. Krishna very happy. No Krishna's happiness, they are not rasa, not ras. Ras meaning singular noun, then for ras. Plural noun, then for ras. Lot of, meaning everybody has full of love for Krishna. Not one, not singular. Everybody. Also, why telling them to now to go down higher? These things is very important. Srimati Radharani is saying, Krishna love for us, Krishna happy here, looking, Krishna all love for you. He like you must prove. Also, he like Chandravali, Bhadra, Sabya, Shama. Also he has love for cows, swagas, parents. Also he has love for trees, keepers, everybody else. All are love for Krishna. Also Krishna transferred his love for everybody. Looking, every heart is very strong, full of rasa. Like mango has rasa, but mango too more rasa. Orange has more rasa, grapes has. Pineapple raw juices, but pineapple raw is liquid water there. Also orange. Green orange, also liquid, little thick, but not good. But mango, very thick, very nice, tasty, smelling. But pomegranate is a king of fruit. Look my juice. Vrindavan has Santa, Dasya, Satya, Vasulya, all mixed present. Also Madhu. All rasa is there. Therefore, here is Rasavaisa Krishna Rasasya Bhagava very happy. And he needed. You know, shortage also rasa. You without salt, no taste any rasa. Vrindavan salt also there. What is salt? Is Chandravali salt? There will be problem coming. Everyone will be angry. Therefore, telling Aditya, Ram is rasa. Ram rasa. Salt name Ram rasa. Meaning everywhere salt present. Scientists telling doctor, all medicine has salt. Salt is less, then you will see. Therefore, they all medicine has salt. But how much needed, they arrange. There is saying, Vrindavanam, Darvani, Ramana Totrapani. But Rasusavad Vrindavan. Radharani looking, oh, he like is too much true, not like any good. All time, Adara, Sudarasa, is drinking. Jatra Potato, sleeping, hiding and sleeping. That was the one day, using daily, all are as love. He's only telling, after she's still hiding. Then this man, 100 men. Who has one mind truth? Who's pulling my fruit? See this fruit on a piece of bamboo, dry wood. He is all time you kissing, not kissing anybody, not looking anybody, talking with him, giving him all nectar. All are useless. No like anybody, only like food. He is feeling all our love. He has all also. Now, are going fighting with Krishna? But Krishna has no answer. Then the Krishna would say, तथापि आशीर्वाद उदारपाणी रमण तत्रापि गोवर्धन but Krishna was Govardhan. Okay. In Govardhan, Go Vardhayati Govardhan. His name Govardhan. Go Gopi, Gopa Gopur, Ya Gopal. Everybody. Ramana Tatrapi, Krishna, in and out, everywhere present. They have no any idea without Krishna. Krishna for exudate all love. Also Krishna is full of love for everybody. Therefore Krishna 7 days, 7 nights, caring only Giriraj Govardhan. No, with him. Vasulya, Dasya, Sakhya, and Santa, Madhur, with his Krishna continue day and night 24 hours with him. There with his Krishna playing, Krishna meeting, Krishna looking, no going 1 minute for distance to them. Now possible Krishna hiding Punya Punya. Krishna going distance to other. Sorat to going distance to Krishna. Vasulya to hiding, going. But there Govardhan, Ramana Tatrapi, all are out and in everywhere Krishna. All are thinking about Krishna. Somebody thinks Krishna how they carrying? Then Sagadam telling, hey Giriraj, I give you stick for your stand. Do not give word for Krishna. So they are telling, hey, all our eyes is looking at Giriraj. Don't disturb him. Don't come down. All are giving you all, still they are not. You not giving away. But Krishna is there. Somebody cooking and feeding, somebody massaging, somebody playing embassy, kissing. But Krishna is holding that time only. Oh, this is only an art, you know. Krishna is only. So I am caring, but Krishna is that time meeting with him. Very clever. Like one picture, they all stand, like standing, like caring. But why he present? They are everybody present. No anybody has. Only no doubt. And in that moment, like the one we have a career. Fire is came, all are came and running and Krishna. Embracing that time no more etiquette. Why Gopi are touching and embracing kissing? Yeah. Mother not telling, father not telling. Sagadar has no doubt. Sagadar also come. During that moment, no problem. But here is 7 days, 7 nights. Krishna eating everything. Sagadar is eating, praying, and what cooking? Krishna carrying over. But where is Krishna? Krishna is bigger. Here Krishna standing at structure. Here Krishna himself is like his like arranging this one program. But where Krishna? Ramana Tatrapi. Is everybody's in heart, soul. It is his feeling. How much love? Continuous Krishna to keep there. So these things, understanding very difficult. Krishna, near you come, Krishna animating all program externally, but eternally it is playing. But telling Ramachandra Bodhana after Gokulapati Brahmavita Paramahansa telling Gokul all are will have Tabar in Krishna. Actually, it is not a story. That Krishna looking this Radha Kunda, yes, Radha Kunda may have been Gokul. This Radha Kunda looking Srimati Radharani by causing mercy. All trees, shikas, animals, birds, all beauty, everywhere. They are carrying in heart. Everywhere carrying Krishna, but they are carrying Srimati Radharani. See, love it is making everybody love to love. And all are a lot of love for Krishna. Unlimited love, unparalleled, unconditional. Also sweet. This sweetness for Krishna, thinking, oh, how is Srimati Radharani? After his teaching, getting qualified. Therefore, Radharani is near his. Radharani asked him, you know, Krishna is from where? If Krishna is going to Radha Kunda, what are you doing? He dancing. Who is teaching? Who is teaching? Say your reflection. My reflection? Yeah. All trees, people, plants, looking Krishna, everywhere looking Krishna. Their heart has no other. Therefore, Radha Kunda, here is Gokulapati. Gokulapati, Radha Kunda is phenomenal permanent. Only flood, love. There is floating. If you cannot understanding which way going, Radha Kunda, everywhere is full of Krishna. It is not possible anywhere in this place. They are Krishna is very happy. And meeting anybody with this, he is very happy with their body. Also, beautiful taste, energy, inspiration. All are love for Krishna, not Srimati Radharani. But here is Krishna's surprise. All are love for Srimati Radharani. The Radha Kunda is talking. They are not possible everybody in dreams. So Krishna learning, Krishna thinking. Mahaprabhu came, asked in Vrindavan, what is doing? Or Brajamandal moving after Giriraj is came and then is watching my Radha Kunda. One looking two rice came. One is white water and one black water. So he is making this much water and saying, this is Radha Kunda. Another one, Sam Kunda. But now, anybody addressing, where going? Radha Kunda. Name is Radha Kunda. No Sam Kunda. Asking who is Sam Kunda, where is Sam Kunda? Address, what telling? Sam Kunda. Address, any place? Sam Kunda's place? Very deep people know. There is Sam Kunda also. But mostly everybody knows Radha Kunda. Radha Kunda is famous overworld until Vaikuntha Vrindavan everywhere. But no Sam Kunda. Sam has no room where Sam is floating now. Brahma Amrita. He is now floating, he is now melting. Mahaprabhu came and Mahaprabhu showing. Now look, festival coming. Golashtami, Kartik month. Near Sam Kunda, Nobody going bathing, dancing, doing Achamon, and do not looking at only Radha Kunda. Midnight they are worshipping with puja until they have to take Krishna's items after go. All in everything Radha Kunda. But no Sambhula. But Sambhula is appears in their past. After Radha Kunda. But now Radha Kunda is everything. No Sambhula. Now saying to Krishna Prabhu, you are to shelter, not Mathura, no Vrindavan, no Govardhan, right Radha Kunda. Meaning, Radha is all followers, Sati, Manjari. There is Asura Kunda. They give you shelter. Otherwise, nobody gives shelter. Nobody is present. Tolerate. Nobody accepting. However, take care. And everything as it is making for Krishna. Everywhere share market. But Radha Kunda no, they are doing place, no share market. There are no mutual funds. That everything is for Krishna. They don't know without Krishna, without his love and service, they don't know Radha Kunda. They are telling Radha Kundam, Yaki Gokulapati. He is going Gokul everywhere. But Gokulapati is Imam Vikrama, is now forever melting and floating, is forever drinking his nectar. He is no like other nectar. That was saying this sloka. Radha Kunda is Swatantra Balaram. Many sloka. Now also he started hearing it was the good. Yeah, mostly people have idea Krishna is near and dearest, close to Baldevu. Baldevu Guru and Baldevu everything. But without Srimati Radharani mercy, Baldevu also not hearing. Right? Swarupa, just now hearing Madam. Sending Srimati Radharani, Krishna himself. Both Guru and Acharya being back in Kumar here. Radharani by God's mercy and desire, possible anybody to give embrace and Vrindavan and service for giving everything. But don't neglect God's This is also somebody should please maintain. God's permission for living is called. And cleaning, purifying, bringing, training, giving, and slow bringing, and after offering, perfectly. And there is many other lists near doing further stuff. That things not understanding, not appointed. After Vaya Bhaja, Tare Krishna nahi kari. After Paraya Karo. Ishta. Ananda. This order they Ananda sing that one. Ananda. What is Ananda? No, who is Ananda? This is not possible. I will do it is a teaching. And you know, that go, that do certain, then you will do otherwise, you can follow life doing sadhana, which is never possible. Not coming. Mathura is no Anandata. Vrindavana is no Anandata. Govardhana is also no Anandata, only the Radha. These things, understanding for necessary, respect and faith. Then is only will be unconditional surrender. That's Sadhana Bhajan starting. Naranuga, Rupanuga, then understanding. What is Rupanuga society? Mahaprabhu, what is telling? Unnata Ujjana Savukti Sriyam. What is Unnata Ujjana? What is Savukti? Then realize it. Others running, there, this, that, jumping. rolling, dragging, grabbing, nothing happened. Only Guru Goswami is writing, Radhe Jaya Jaya, Madhava Dvaiti. No writing other poet. No. Kalati Nayanam, this is Ratikam. What is it? Radhe Jaya Jaya, Madhava Dvaiti, Gokula Dharani, Mandalam Mahishi. All explaining Vishwan Dodi, Namaste, Varita Satiguna, after saying Damodar Rati, what then ways? Oh, Damodar Rati, no other? This is Ananyata. Anya Mamata Vishnu, Mamata Prabhuta Dhikya. So Ananyata, no Ananyata. There no bhakti, no bhajan starting, nothing. Only bas, Ramadoli. Therefore now others will be coming. Therefore, the Raghunath of God, know you, entire, not you to say that. Then, tell me what Bhakti Thakur. राधा भजन यदि मति नहीं गेला कृष्ण भजन तब अकारण गेला व्हाट्स मीन कृष्ण विलन फॉर लाइफ अकारण यूजलेस राधा भजन यदि मति नहीं गेला तो कृष्ण भजन अकारण all false all lost nothing false what meaning therefore is the past faith only Srimad. But now is many world has come to. They say don't play Radharani, don't invite Radharani, don't say Radharani, don't serve Radharani. To serve Krishna will be Krishna. But Radha serving them will Radhe, one better. It's a beloved. No India, other Krishna is already accepting. And what other name is changing, Krishna there is going and running and excusing. Or other name, no, taking there and running.